Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The series of talks that I intend to give during the first 10 nights of this month of Ramadan are derived from the mystical teachings of our masters and Muslim sages. And basically, they revolve around the theme of the teachings of the Quran in terms of the nature of our life. The Quran reminds us that this worldly life of ours is an illusory life that we need to awaken. Otherwise, we will be met with a rude awakening, which will be followed by endless state of regret and remorse. The Quran tells us that this opportunity of life is an expensive opportunity in which we are either grateful or ungrateful. The grateful part is for us to attain the fullness of our potential, and the ungrateful state constitutes us leaving the folds of life unattained. In that way, the Quran asks us to reflect, to understand who we are, to get a proper perspective on this opportunity of life and to make the most of it. The Blessed Prophet had conveyed this understanding in very simple terms, yet very difficult to understand. He said, the one who knows his own self knows his God. So in these talks, we will be talking about how to know ourselves by taking a slightly different route, by trying to understand what we are not. So once we remove the sense of what we are not, we can possibly begin to understand what we are. As I said, they are based on the Quranic instructions and the thoughts of our sages and mystic masters that have gone in the long centuries from the time of the Prophet till now. So I hope inshallah you will be with me on this journey for the next 10 nights, and we can explore these searching questions of who we are not, how the world is a reflection of what we want it to be and not the other way around. Wassalamu alaikum.